This video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type extension that is called More Styles. This is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to get some great features that allows you to make some changes in the styles of web pages that you visit. Well, maybe for some people this feature is helpful, but in reality, this extension called More Styles actually functions as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great multitude of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads are not really decent, and very often they may point people to many deceptive and malicious pages in the internet. Because of that, the computer may be infected with potentially unwanted software. In case this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. This is how you can remove unwanted extensions from Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Once you find this unwanted extension or any other extensions you don't need, simply disable them and get rid of them. You might also see some other strange behavior, some annoying ads attacking your screen periodically. This means that your browser is still hijacked with some adware or infected by some potentially unwanted software. So we recommend you to carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer effectively. So Combo Cleaner will help you very well to make your computer free of threats and free of any other adware or malware. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.